Welcome to Quant Connect, your control panel for Overledger. First, let's tour the dashboard. Here you can see the credits that you've used and how many are remaining depending on your plan and bundle, as well as see what plan you're on and how many days you have remaining of that plan. You can see some insights into the use cases that can be powered with Overledger, as well as news and updates from our website. If we go to Overledger Flows, this is where you'd come to create a smart token or in the future, bridge an asset. We can use the quick deploy option or click through the use cases to learn more. There is a tutorial on this, so please refer to that for more detail. If we move then on to My Applications, this is where you'd come to register an application to be able to use Overledger. This is how you would create your client ID and secret in essence. So you press add here and then go through the flow. Again, there is a user guide on that. We can see we already have one available called Trading Markets that has got permissions to the few GM and buy testnets. Speaking of networks, if you come to My Networks, you can see what networks you have access to. This is a trial account, so it has 2 testnets which are pre-selected for me. Once I upgrade, I'll have the option to select the test and mainnets that I prefer. And one last section here is the API documentation, where you can come to review the Overledger API documentation and choose which ones you want to include in your application. If we go back to Quant Connect, one last section to look at, and that's under My Account. First we'll go to My Profile, where we can see my first and last name, and I can edit that if I wish, as well as launch the ID verification. It is important to note that you must have passed your ID verification before you can upgrade your plans, which we do also have a tutorial on. If you'd like to change your password, again, you can do that here, as well as manage your email notifications and view your terms and conditions. Before we move on, it's important to note the email for billing and the support down here, should you need to reach us for anything to do with your account or any general support. Finally then on to bills. Once you are on a paid plan, you will start to use credits. You can then see how those credits have been used under your bill that's generated monthly and show your credit burn, be that through creating a token, creating a bridge, or using the APIs. You can view them from here, as well as see details of ways to pay. Hopefully that's been of help to you, and thank you so much.